Hello everyone, I am Richa, 4th year student, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow, Department of Civil Engineering. My seminar presentation on basalt rock fiber. These are table of content. First one is introduction, basalt rock fiber, fiber forming process, properties of basalt fibers, basalt rock fiber products, advantages, field applications of basalt rock fiber, case study and conclusion. Now introduction. In the recent days, the various fibers developed and used in the construction, industrial and highway engineering, also fiberglass, polythene fibers, carbon fibers, polyamide fibers are now developed and also used in construction, industrial and infrastructure development. Vessel originate from volcanic magma and flood volcanoes, a very hot fluid or semi-fluid material under the earth crust solidified in the open air. Basalt is the name given to wide variety of volcanic rock which is grey. Now basalt rock fiber. Basalt fiber which made from fibers of basalt rock is very much similar to carbon and the fiberglass and have better physico-mechanical properties and cheaper. They have many field application and replace many costly and rare material. Basalt fiber offer the potential to solve the largest problem in the cement and concrete industry. Basalt fiber, which is also known as basalt fiber, is a material which is made from extremely fine fiber of the basalt. Fiber forming process. In many ways, basalt fiber technology is similar to glass fiber technology except only one material, basalt rock. Basalt continuous filament are made from the basalt rock in a single step process, melting and extrusion process. Technological process of manufacturing basalt filament consists of melt preparation, fiber drawing, fiber formation, application of lubricants and finally winding. Properties of basalt fibers. Thermal resistance. It has excellent thermal properties of glass fibers. It can easily withstand the temperature of 12,000 degrees Celsius to 13,000 degrees Celsius for hours continuously without any physical change. Mechanical strength. It has tensile strength 3000 to 1400 megapascal. Chemical resistance. It have very good resistance against alkaline environment, acid and salt resistance. Corrosion and fungi resistance. It has better corrosion resistance. It does not undergo any toxic reaction with water and air gases also. Abrasion property. It is extremely hard and has hardness value between 5 to 9 on Mohr scale, which result in better abrasion property. Basalt rock fiber products. First one is basalt reinforcement rod, second one is continuous basalt fiber, third one is basalt geotextile, fourth one basalt reinforcement mesh. Now first one, basalt reinforcement rod. Higher specific strength and resistance to corrosion, which is chemically inert, no permanent deformation when bent. Second one is continuous basalt fiber. Only one component of basalt which is environmentally safe. Cost of basalt raw material is very low. Now third one is basalt geotextile. They are made of natural raw material. Natural chemical composition provides chemical stability and resistance. They are non-inflammable and they can carry out distributed load. The cost is 4 to 5 lower than the other geotextile material. Fourth one is basalt reinforcing mesh. Basalt reinforcing mesh is designed for reinforcing rod and highway overlays to prolong the pavement lifespan by reducing the effects of the reflective cracking caused by traffic, loading ease, hardening and temperature cycling. Basalt reinforcing mesh makes it possible to reduce thickness of asphalt concrete pavement up to 20%. Advantages. Basalt fibers show 15 to 20% higher tensile strength and modulus. They have no toxic action with air and water, very high chemical resistance, water absorption, noise absorption qualities, melting temperatures and working temperature up to 6000 degrees Celsius. Field applications of basalt rock fiber: construction, road construction, engineering, network, agriculture, underground construction, machine construction. Case studies. Now, case study 1: construction of basalt rock fiber project. Imagine a construction project that incorporates basalt rock fiber in concrete reinforcement. The building benefits from increased durability, reduced maintenance cost due to corrosion resistance, and enhanced fire safety. However, the project team faced challenges during the initial phase due to higher material cost and the need for specialized construction techniques. Now, second 2: region of basalt rock in India. First one is basalt rock Deccan Trape, an area of about 50,000 square kilometer, cover large part of the Maharashtra. Second one is Kuch. Third one is Deccan. Fourth one is Central India. Fifth one is Madhya Pradesh. Sixth one is Hyderabad region, etc. Now conclusion. Basalt can be used in manufacturing and made into fine, superfine, ultrafine fibers. Basalt is an alternative raw material for fiber forming because of its relatively homogeneous chemical structure. Basalt rock fibers have no toxic reaction with air or water, non-combustible. Basalt rock fibers have new range of material in building construction, road construction, concrete industry, and agriculture field. They potential to high performance and cost effectively replace of fiberglass, steel and carbon fiber product in many application. Thank you.